Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to learn how to upload file using Dropzone JavaScript library with PHP script. We all know Dropzone JavaScript library is a lightweight JavaScript library, and by using this library we can make feature like drag and drop file upload with preview of image. So, if you want to implement drag and drop Ajax file upload feature in your website, so with Dropzone JavaScript library with PHP we can easily make drag and drop file upload for our website. By using this library we can upload single file or multiple file also. So there are many viewer has requested us to make video tutorial on Dropzone library with PHP. So here we have discussed how to use this library with PHP for upload file on server using drag and drop feature and display uploaded image on web page without refresh of web page. This is our working folder, and in this we have two files like index.php and upload.php. Here one upload folder also, we will upload file under this folder. This index.php file, and under this file we have already imported jQuery and Bootstrap library link, and we have also imported Dropzone JavaScript and style sheet file also for use Dropzone library on this page. Now we have moved to write HTML code under index.php file. So here we have write form tag with action is equal to upload.php file, class is equal to Dropzone, and ID is equal to Dropzone form. Here we have send form submission request for upload file to upload.php file, and here class Dropzone is used for selector for Dropzone library, and ID value also use as selector. After this we have write button tag with type is equal to button and ID is equal to submit all. By click on this button we will upload file using Dropzone library. Below this we have write division tag with ID is equal to preview. Under this tag we will display uploaded image from upload folder. Now we have moved to write JavaScript code. So here we have write Dropzone.options.form ID Dropzone form is equal to bracket. Here we have initialized Dropzone library on HTML form with ID Dropzone form. Under this we have write first option auto process queue set to false. This option will stop to immediately upload of image after drag image under drag area. In second option we have write accepted files option, and here we have write some image file extension. By using this option we can select only this image file extension from local computer. We cannot select option extension file, so this way we can select only image for upload. After this we have write Dropzone init function. This is start main part of Dropzone modification, and here we have passive function to listen Dropzone init event. Under this function we have write submit button variable is equal to document.query selector method with button ID submit all. Here we have defined button for upload image. Then after we have write my Dropzone variable is equal to this. Here we have used this variable as reference name, and we can access different method of Dropzone library. Now we have write submit button variable add event listener method with two argument like click and callback function. Here we have defined click event on button for trigger upload image to the server. Under this function we have write my dropzone variable.processQueue method. This method will tell Dropzone to process all queued files. After this we have write the selector.on method, and under this we have write complete event with function. This block of code will execute when image uploads are complete. Under this block we have write if statement, and under condition we have write this .getQueueFiles method .length is equal to 0 and this .getUploadingFile method .length is equal to 0. This condition will execute if block if all files have been uploaded into upload folder. Under this block we have write variable underscore this is equal to this. Here we have using a closure. Below this we have write underscore this dot remove all files method. This method will remove all files from Dropzone selector and it will clear image thumbnail after uploading of an image. Now we have moved to write PHP code in upload.php file. So here first we have write $folder name variable is equal to upload. Below this we have write if statement, and under condition we have write not operator with empty function with $files variable. This condition will check this variable value is not blank, then it will execute if block. Under this block we have write $temp file variable is equal to $files file temporary name variable. Here we have store temporary file name into this $temp file variable. After this we have write $location variable is equal to $folder name variable $files file name variable. Here we have define upload image file location with image name and store under $location variable. Lastly we have write move uploaded file function with two argument. In first argument we have write $temp file variable, and in second argument we have write $location variable. This function will upload image into upload folder. Friends, here we can see when page has been loaded into browser, then we can see drag and drop file text on web page with upload button. So here we have drag one image. After drag of image we can see thumbnail of image. Here image still not upload into upload folder. For upload we have to click on upload button. So we have click on upload button. After click on upload button, image has been removed from drag and drop area. That means image successfully uploaded into upload folder, which we can see in this upload folder. So now we want to display this image on web page. For this we have go to index page, and here we have make one function list image. This function will fetch image from upload folder and display on web page under division tag with ID preview. Under this function we have start write AJAX request with URL option set to upload.php. Here we have send request to this file. After this we have write success callback function. This function has been called if request completed successfully, and it will receive data from server which we can access from data variable. Under this function we have write $with division tag with ID preview with HTML method, and under this method we have write data variable. This code will display image on web page. Now we have go to upload.php file, and here we have write $result variable is equal to array. Here we have define $result variable. After this we have write $files variable is equal to scan directory function with $folder name variable. This function will scan upload folder, and this function will return array of files name. Below this we have write if statement, and under condition we have write false statement is not equal to $files variable. This condition will check there is any error or not. If there is no error in scan directory function, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block we have write for each loop with condition like $files variable as $file variable. Here we have fetch files name from this $files variable. Under this loop we have write if statement, and under condition we have write is not equal to $files variable and double dot is not equal to $files variable. This condition will ignore single dot and double dot file. Under this condition we have write $output variable, and in this variable we have append HTML code like image source is equal to $folder name variable and $file name variable. This code will display image on web page. After this we want to add image remove button, so here we have write button type is equal to button, class is equal to remove image, and ID is equal to $file variable. Here we will use remove image class as selector, and in ID attribute we have store image name, so when we have click on this button then particular image will be removed from upload folder. Now we have go to index page, and here we have called this list image function, so when page has been loaded into browser then this function will called and it will display image on web page. Same way list image function we have called here also, so when we image has been successfully uploaded using Dropzone library then this function will called and it will also display latest uploaded image also. Friends, here we have first refresh page. After refresh of web we can see image on web page which has been fetched from upload folder. Below image we can see image remove button also. By click on this button we can remove particular image. So we have go to index page, and here we have write $document selector with on method, and under this method we have right click event with button class remove image. So when we have click on any remove button then this block of code will execute. Under this block we have write name variable is equal to $this with attribute method, and under this we have write ID. This code will fetch value of ID attribute and store under name variable. Now we have start write Ajax request, and under this first we have write URL option set to upload.php. Here we have send request to upload.php file. In second option we have write method option, and here we have write post, so here we have use post method for send data to server. In third option we have write data, and in this we can define which data we want send to server, so here we have write name variable, so we have send this variable value to server. Lastly we have write success callback function. This function has been called if request completed successfully. Under this function we have called list image function, This function will fetch all image from upload folder and display on web page. Now we have go to upload.php file, and here we have write if statement, and under condition we have write is set function with $post name variable. If this variable value is set, then it will execute if block of code. Under this block we have write $file name variable is equal to $folder name variable $post name variable. Here we have write store file location with name details under $file name variable. After this we have write unlink function with $file name variable. This function will delete particular image from upload folder. So here our code is ready. Friends, first we have refresh page, and after refresh of web page, we can see drop zone drag and drop area with upload button, and below we can see uploaded image from $upload variable. Now we have upload some image, so here we have drag images under drop zone area, and after drag and drop image we can see image thumbnail under drag and drop area. Here image still not uploaded into upload folder. For upload image we have click on upload folder, so we have click on upload button. After click on upload, image has been uploaded and image thumbnail has been removed from drag and drop area. Below we can see latest uploaded image has been displayed without refresh of web page with remove button also. Now we want to remove this image, so we have click on this image remove button. After click on remove image we can see particular image has been removed from web page, and we can see remaining images on web page. So this way we can use Dropzone library with PHP. By using this library we can easily make drag and drop file upload with PHP script. We can also upload image from select from local computer also. Using this library we can upload single or multiple images using PHP script. Here we have also seen how to fetch image from folder and display on web page, and lastly we have seen how to delete image from folder using PHP script. So this way we can implement Dropzone library with PHP for upload files to server. If you have any query regarding this video tutorial part, please comment your query in comment box, or if you like this video tutorial please share with your friends, or even you can also share on social media also. If you want to get more update regarding our video tutorial, please subscribe our YouTube channel for get more update regarding release of future video. Lastly, keep watching